Happy Monday, everybody. It's Monday, the 23rd, and I got about 21 sales across 3 platforms. So I got about 19 on eBay, most of them on eBay, 19 sales on eBay, and I got 1 sale on Marketplace and 1 sale on Amazon. So it seems like it was mostly almost, I guess you can say, almost kind of a nickel and dime type of weekend for me, man. But whatever, nickels and dimes turning into dollars, right? So I sold FIFA, Microsoft Xbox One game, $6.95. My cost into that was only $1. I sold a lot of CDs, man. Sold this Black Nativity DVD, $1.99, buyer paid shipping. Nothing, really ain't make much there. But I ain't paid much for that either. Sold a lot of Christmas CDs. Those Christmas CDs, though, I think my cost of those was like less than 10 cents. So this one sold for $2.25. Pretty sure I messed up on that one because it says free shipping. So I will lose money on that. I'm not sure what I did on that, but yeah, pretty sure I lost money on that one. But whatever happens, right? I must have messed up when I did the shipping on there. I'm pretty sure that was supposed to be $2.25 buyer paid shipping. So whatever. Now I'm gonna have to go through and check all my CDs and stuff and make sure I ain't do that to none of the other ones. This one was 2 Hour Spring soaps, man, body washes, $2.99, buyer paid shipping of $9. This was just something that I had got with like a liquidation lot, dude. It was sitting for a long time, and I was just trying to get rid of it. So I just dropped the price so I can get rid of it. I don't really want to hold it. I heard this many times on other channels. I'm not in the storage business, and when things start sitting for months and months, I just try to get rid of it, unless it's something that's worth letting sit or whatever. But for the most part, I don't like, one thing about me. Number one, of course, I make bad buys just like anybody, but once I realize I made a bad buy, I do not try to sit there and get money out of it. Like, just holding on to it is only going to cost me more money in the long run. I have absolutely no problem dropping the price on a bad buy and either making a little bit less, breaking even, or even losing money just to get rid of it, clear up inventory space, get some capital back. Like I do. Once I realize something's a bad buy, I just try to off it. I don't hold on to it. So these 2 CDs right here, Breath of Heaven, a Christmas collection, and this lot of 3 that I made up, Christmas music CD holiday bundle. This is the same buyer. So the holiday bundle was $8.95, and then the single one was $1.99, and then they paid the shipping on that one. So I'll bundle those up, save on shipping. Not a bad buy because my cost of goods in that is less than 40 cents, and I made about about $11. So not bad. This is a lot of video games. Got these from Walmart clearance. Probably paid about $1 or so, maybe a couple dollars. But the buyer bought this lot for $21.97, free shipping. So it'll only be $2.80 to ship those out. So made a nice little profit on that. Here's another lot of DVDs that I made up. This was I want to say a horror movie lot. So it's a lot of 4 DVDs. Had it listed for $10.95. Had a watcher, sent them offer for $9.99. They bought that, so I'll ship it out. We only $2.80, and making a nice little profit on that. Another DVD, $5, free shipping. Not a lot on that, but it's gone. This one, just some pins, $7.95. This one, 2 bottles of OGX 13-ounce Bamboo Radiant Brunette Hydrating Color Shampoo. So I sold that for $13.95. Buyer paid shipping of $11.59. Not a bad deal on that one. I ain't really paid that much for those. Retail arbitrage. Get those from my local Ollie's. Perry Como Sings Merry Christmas, $5.95, free shipping for the buyer. And then, like I said this in another video, I had bought a whole bunch of CDs off of a lady off of Marketplace. I don't know, about 100 or so. And my cost of goods into that was less than 10 cents. And a lot of them was Christmas CDs. So I made sure that I got those up. Knowing that Christmas was coming up and everything, I made sure I got those up. And those been selling pretty good. Here's a 2-pack of Pantene Pro V blends. Micellar. I don't know. Shampoo, gentle cleansing. Sold those for $16.89. I made that bundle up. Those been selling good. This bundle been selling good for me, so I usually make a pretty good profit off of that. Sold some Skechers, just $15. Buyer paid shipping, $10.94. Did make a nice little profit off that, maybe about $10. Sold some jeans, some women's style & Co. plus size curvy cuffed capri jeans, $21.95, free shipping. Sold the iPhone XR crossbody phone case. I had actually bought a lot of these Walmart clearance. I think this should be the last one, but they sold pretty good. I think I had paid about anywhere from $2 to $4 for the different. There was different kinds for different types of phones. Can't remember how much I paid for this one exactly, but they were selling pretty good for me, man. I made some nice money off of those cases. This one, it was the last one. Sold it for $10.50 free shipping. I'm pretty sure I was just trying to, get rid of it. It's the last one. I made like a nice little bit of money off of them. I'm really not greedy, so make a couple dollars off that last one and call it a day, right? Here's another CD, $6.95. The Seagull, Annette Benning. Sold this Kids Timex digital adjustable watch, $15 free shipping. Not a bad deal on that one. And I sold this Living Proof, it's like a salon shampoo, brand new, came with the pumps and everything. Sold it for $80. Free shipping, because that's pretty much what everybody else was doing on that. They were selling them for anywhere around $69 to like $80 off free shipping. I had it listed initially at about $90. Wasn't nothing happening, so I ended up just dropping it down a little bit. Somebody sent the offer. I took the offer for $80. Took them about 3-4 days to pay. I used to have pay immediately on all my listings, and I did an experiment, man. I took it off of all of my listings, and I feel like I get more sales, even though some people, every once in a while somebody might not pay, but honestly for the most part they pay. It might sit for a few days, maybe 3-4. Heck, I think I had a couple sit for about maybe 4 or 5 days, but they always pay. Honestly, I'd rather get that money even if it's a few days away. I'll take it. It's a sale. It's a guaranteed sale for the most part, but I haven't seen an increase in non-payments. It just might take a little longer. So I think that was a good idea to take that off and just, let people go ahead and buy it and maybe pay a few days later or whatever. They probably just figured they'll pay when they get paid, but worked out for me, and I'm gonna keep it that way on all my listings. So that's that. And on Marketplace, so the hair dryer brush for $15. The buyer paid the shipping. It was like $8. So altogether that sale was about $24. And Amazon sale was just a book. I just started really messing with Amazon, guys, so see how that go. I'm about to start ramping up though my Amazon, that Amazon platform. I need to really leverage that out. So that's what I got, man.